Alright guys, I just plugged the machine back in and it's literally doing this. It's been doing this for like 20 minutes and last time I did this I got yelled at by the security officers. Well, there's a security camera right there. The security guards are probably watching me plug the machine back in and then watching the machine doing this. So I'm literally probably gonna get kicked out for doing that, but oh my god. It's literally been doing this for like 20 freaking minutes. Like, literally, what the hell is going on? Why is this machine keep doing that? Like, they need to fix this damn thing. My god, it's literally gonna keep doing that. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh god. Alright guys, another 20 minutes has rolled around and it's still doing this. And it finally stopped. So anyway, let's go for a quick win and get out of here because I'm probably gonna get kicked out by Walmart security. Well, there's a security guard standing right by the door over there. So we gotta hurry up and make this quick. Oh, I thought I would get a 2-in-1, but we got one green ball. Watch, this thing's gonna act up again. Yep, it did it again. I knew it. And it literally stopped now. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go one more time. Except I'm probably gonna get kicked out. Probably in like a minute. Let's see. See if there's any opportunities for a 2-in-1. How about these two purple ones? See if I can grab them both. No, I don't think so, but we got one. This thing's gonna be acting up again, watch. You know what? I'm probably gonna have to unplug the machine in case if Walmart security gets called again, like they did the last time I was here. Then we got a green spiky ball and a purple spiky ball from the Sugarloaf Toy Shop. So anyway, I will see you guys in a little bit.